Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize the color theme in Chrome Developer Tools. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled More Tools. This will expand a secondary menu showing additional Chrome features and utilities. These tools give you access to various advanced Chrome functions, including the developer tools you'll be customizing today. In the secondary menu that opens, click on Developer Tools. This action will open Chrome's built-in developer panel, typically docking it to the right side or bottom of your browser window. Developer tools are essential for web developers and anyone who wants to inspect or debug web pages, and customizing their appearance can make your workflow much more comfortable. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the Developer Tools panel itself. You'll notice a gear icon, which represents the settings menu for developer tools. Click on this gear icon to access the configuration options. This is where you can personalize various aspects of how the developer tools look and function. Once the settings panel opens, check the left side navigation menu. Make sure you're currently on the Preferences tab. This section contains all the main customization options for developer tools, including appearance settings, workspace configurations, and various other preferences that affect how the tools behave. In the Preferences section, scroll through the options until you see a setting labeled Theme. This controls the overall color scheme of your Developer Tools interface, affecting everything from the background color to text and syntax highlighting. Having the right theme can reduce eye strain and make it easier to work for extended periods. Click on the drop-down menu located directly under the theme label. This will reveal the available color theme options that Chrome provides. Each theme is designed to offer a different visual experience based on your preferences and working environment. Now you'll see 3 options to choose from: Auto, Light, or Dark. The Auto option automatically adjusts the theme based on your system settings. Light provides a bright interface with dark text, and Dark offers a darker background with lighter text, which many developers prefer for reducing eye strain in low light conditions. Choose whichever option you prefer based on your personal taste and working conditions. And that's it. Your Chrome Developer Tools will immediately reflect the new color theme you've selected, giving your development environment a fresh look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.